What's up, guys? Back with another little opening thing. I went to Walmart today. I got just a few of these like weird packs. They come with one booster pack and then like some cards, like 2 rares and 8 commons. So I figured I'd do this because that's all that they had. I got one Pharaoh Servant, so I'm gonna save that one for later. And I got a Rage of Raw. I mean, I figured why not. But we're going to start with Dimension of Chaos. So I'm just going to go ahead and get straight into it. I hope you all have been doing well. I've been dealing with a lot of life stuff. So sorry for the uploads being very not consistent. I'm gonna wait a second. Pull that out. Alright. See if I can get that to focus. There we go. Metamorphosis. Number 94. These are really warped cards. I don't know if you can see that. But they're really warped. Okay. Nothing crazy. I guess I'll set these two off right there, and then all the normal cards will go there. Alright. Let's do Dimension of Chaos. Psychic Blade, Gradle, Deskbot, Scarlight, Red Dragon Archfiend. That is really cool. Very, very cool. Set that down. Assault, Blackwing, Kunai. Very cool. Magiceptor, Gradle, Greydile, whatever you want to call them. So cool. I really like that art. I'm trying to make this quick because I don't want to sit here and just take forever. So, set that down. Next we're doing Secret Forces. Sorry, it's kind of out of zoom. But we got Spiritual Entanglement. Synchro Gift. AI, Thief. Pretty cool. I don't think these are really worth the amount that you pay. But this is all that was there because I guess everyone's just buying all of the Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. Which kind of sucks because I just wanted to buy a few packs and not have to spend a lot of money, but Yosenju, 3. Cool. It's a secret rare, I believe. Vanity's Emptiness, Altitude Night, Gishki Vision, Ascending Soul. Very cool. We at least got one secret rare. Let's do the next Secret Forces. I guess I can just put them in the pile. Oh, let's go through these first. So, yeah, that's not very good. I have that already. Fortune Lady, I already have that. But, still. I like that card a lot. 9 Lives Cat. Mainly just because it's a cat. So we got 2 rares and then a bunch of normals. So let's do the next Secret Forces. I like the the style of a lot of the Secret Forces monsters. They're just very cool. Oh, hey, look at that. Yosenju. I got 2 of those now. That's pretty awesome. Beast, Battlefin, Dijin, Fire, Necro Garden. Cool. Awesome. Should I do this one or Rage of Raw? I'll do the Rage of Raw last because I know there's a chance to get a Ghost Rare. I'm definitely not getting one though. Because I bought a whole box and didn't get one, so why would I get one from just 2 little packs? PG Screw, that's interesting. Trickster Fusion. I like that card art a lot. Very, very colorful. Another 9 lives. Bellcat Fire. Okay. 9 lives. Okay, it seems like you get kind of similar cards. Just not very good. Pharaoh's Servant. Let's see if we can get something other than a regular rare. That'd be nice. Infinite Dismissal. Respect Play. Mr. Volcano. Flame Champion. Nobleman the Extermination. Reply, Insect Barrier, Gust, and Deep Sea Warrior. Nothing crazy. I don't know what this card is. I've never seen it. But let's go to Rage of Raw. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Let's do this one. Let's see if we can get raw. Psychic Shockwave. Mechlord. Jinzo. Holding Legs. Everlasting Alloy. Nothing. Alright. Bless this pack. Bless this pack. Mechlord. Jinzo. Mechlord. Mechlord. Disappointing, but you know, you win some, you lose some. These packs really aren't worth it, but I just wish that the stores around me had more stuff, because they always seem to be bought out of everything. But we did get Yosenju and Yosenju. And that, which I think looks pretty cool. So, alright. That's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna try. I have a few other videos recorded that I need to try and upload, and it's just a matter of doing it. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.